Hello, this is Caleb Beckler for Computer Science 2100, and today we're going to go over some Python problems. So here we have assume S is string of lowercase characters. Basically, write a program that finds the vowels out of this. So let's go for it. As you can see, we got Jupyter Lab. I'm running right now. The name of this file is coding 1.2, 1.3. So let's go for it. Okay, as you can see, this is just the variable type of S is just a string, so we can, play around with it. For I in S, so we're going to be using a for loop, which is helpful. So if I were to go print I, every time it would go through, it would just print A and then Z and then C. So it just checks through each index of the string. So let me see if I'm right. Yeah, so as you can see, A and then Z and then C. So we can utilize this. We're going to be really sloppy and unsophisticated. So if I equals A, oh, we got to add a dummy variable, or I mean a tracking variable. So let's go vowels equals 0. So this will keep track of how many vowels we actually have. So if I equals A, we're gonna go vowels plus. So how many vowels are there? And then we're gonna test by print vowels. Okay, so there's 1 and 2 A's. So this should print out 2 A's. Alright. So now we just got to do this for every single vowel. So let's copy. A-E-I-O-U. So 2 times. A-E-I-O-U. Alright, and it said this should print out 5. Oop, they did it more fancy stuff. The number of vowels is vowels. So let's see. Oop, excuse me. Huh? Yeah. I do have experience in Python, but maybe I've been programming in Java for too long. What now? What's happening? What is it? Do you need to do? The F string, and then the invalid syntax. Am I doing something crazy? Alright, I know there's such a thing as an F string. Okay, well, pump this. We're going to be lazy. Just say print, and then print vowels. So this should be 5. Alright, cool. Now let's include a few LOLs and aha. So we added 1, 2, 3, 4, so it should be 9 this time. Hey, we got 9. Alright, so we're done with problem 1.2. Let's go write a program that prints the number of times Bob occurs in a string. Alrighty. I don't like using the same variable names. so we're going to change that to a Z immediately. Z. Z. And then we're going to change, we're going to name our tracking variable Bob. So, you know, very creative. Okay. How are we going to do this? So it works the same way that, alright, here's what we're going to do. Let me make sure I'm thinking of all this. I'm fairly certain this is going to output. Rangeland Z is going to output 0 and then however long this thing is. Again, I think I've been coding too long in Java, but I do like Python a lot. Yeah, 0 to 15. Okay. So with this, we're saying basically for every I between these two numbers. Alright. And again, we're going to be very unsophisticated and not fun. And just do basic if statements. So let's do if I is equivalent to B. If I let's just try out and see if it does it right. I'm thinking we're gonna have to add an I index. Yeah, I'm doing this totally wrong. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, I'm fairly certain I'm doing this wrong. Okay. And then we test it with print bulb. Let's go. I'm thinking this is what we do. Let's see, it's just 3, yeah. Okay. So essentially what this is doing is going from 0 to 50. We can see this by print I. It'll print 0 to 15. And so we can utilize this by essentially saying the index of whatever iteration this is on. So it could be the 9th, I think. Let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3. That would be the first time you added a B. Okay. So now we're going to continue to be kind of like unsophisticated, not very cool programmers, and just go, oop, if Z I plus 1, so the iteration immediately after whatever I is, equals 0, oh. And then if Z blah 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 I plus 2 equivalent to B. If all of these are, if each one of these are in, then Bob, I guess the same thing. Let's see. 2. Is this right? Bingo! Let's go. The number of Bobs is, okay, let's make sure this is right. So Bob and Bob. To make sure, okay, now there should be 4. So it looks like we got it. All right, good deal. So just a little, four strings and one. Let's make sure that we've submitted everything and done everything the right way. Yep. All right. I think we got everything right. Inconsistent with the video. Nope, I think we're all good. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.